splendid day on the island of Sodor. It was summer. The engines didn't have to work, but James, who was tired of the heat, decided to go to the beach for some vacation and relaxation. So Thomas and Henry were left alone in the sheds. As time went on, Henry became more and more bored.
Hey Thomas, have you ever played video games before?
Well, I have. I enjoy them whenever the animators give me arms. But other than that, no, not really.
Well, Thomas, what would it be like if you could make a video game?
Isn't making a video game hard? There's programming and sound and graphics.
Well, we could have a couple ideas, right? And then we could hire some people to make the game for us.
Uh-huh.
Well, I've got a couple ideas. The first is Super Smash Trains.
Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Wouldn't that game call for a little bit of mild cartoon violence? It would have to be rated T, for tender engines only.
Well, what's wrong with that?
Well, first of all, I wouldn't be able to play it. And second of all, we can't put something like that in a kids' show. I've got a better idea.
Okay.
How about The Legend of Emily?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Emily hasn't been introduced yet.
You're right. Well, as soon as she's introduced, I'm totally hiring a team to make that game. When suddenly, the engines had a visitor. I'm Fergus. Hey, Fergus, buddy. Long time no see. What are you guys doing?
We're making video games. Or was it salsa?
Ooh, I love video games and/or spicy food. I have an idea. Can I submit it? Sure. Okay, here goes. Sodor cart, wee! Whoa, 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 whoa. You know, someone's gonna have to be taking a sharp curve. That train's gonna be you. Okay, so I admit it was a bad idea.
I've got an even better idea. How about we make James Bond 007?
But that'll have shooting and guns and blood and violence. I guess we'll have to go with your first idea, Henry. I'll just make sure that it's comic mischief.
Fine.
A few days later, James returned from his vacation. Ooh, it is so good to be home. Surprise! We wanted to welcome you back, James, so we made you a video game. Ooh! I am so flattered. And handsome. Ooh, can we play my game right now? Yeah. Except that I just realized we don't have a system to play it on. Ooh. Well, we need to make some money. Anybody got some ideas?
Well, we could make a lemonade stand.
But nobody would buy it. We don't drink lemonade.
That's true.
We could sell baguette bread. But nobody would eat the baguette bread except you, James. That's true.
Oh, I have an idea.
Henry, I know what you're thinking. That's illegal.
Darn.
Well, any other ideas? All right. Then we'll have to do it the hard way. Odd jobs.
Not odd jobs!
Yes, odd jobs.
What are odd jobs?
An odd job is when you do, well, an odd job. You do a favor for somebody, and then they pay you.
Oh, okay. Who do we do the favors for?
For all the other engines on the island. They need a little extra work done, we'll take care of it. But then they have to pay us.
Oh, makes sense.
Yep, it's a piece of cake. You got it?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Wee wee! For the rest of the day, the engines spread out around the island. Wherever there was an engine in need, they'd offer to do some of their work for a hearty salary. Before long, the engines had made more than enough money to cover a new video game system. Then Thomas went off to the video game store to pick it up. When he arrived, there was great excitement. "Ooh, you finally got it! I am so excited to play! Let's get ready to rock, you guys!"
But wait, I just realized something. We don't have a TV.
Wah! Wait. It's all right. The narrator said we had more than enough money. We should use the extra money to go get a TV. You're right, James. I'll go back to the TV store. When Thomas returned, he brought a brand new widescreen 4-inch mini set.
Thomas, I think it's kind of small.
Yeah, it only has an antenna. You can't even plug in your RCA output. Ah! Wait. This may not be as bad as we thought. You can take the TV back, and you could get a projector, and we could just play it on the wall. You're right, James. I'll go do that right away. Soon, Thomas returned with a projector. "I'm ready. Are you?"
Thomas?
"You know, Thomas, I just realized that it's quite a bit back to the shed, and currently around us there are no walls." Ah!